Mubvunzonhando, powered by EcoCash.
Nando chinoda kumbokurukurwa kuti tifare nekusununguka. Tinokuchingamidza muchirongwa Mubvunzonhando chamunounzirwa neEcoCash. Upenyu hweEcoCash hunonyatsoita.
Well, indeed, upenyu EcoCash hunonyatsoita, and exciting times. We're talking about the EcoCash Chaka Chaya Ziyawa ku EcoCash promotion. Zimbabwe, it's back. We're talking about the biggest promotion in the land. And all you have to do is simply transact to earn at least 30 points and stand a chance to win. And to earn points, you cash in, you send money, you buy airtime, you make payments or receive money from the diaspora. Now, prizes range from cars, a dream holiday trip to Victoria Falls. We're talking about cows, tine mombe, tine solar systems, tine EcoCash, mari jakari, chikupai ma deep freezers, gas stoves, television sets, smartphones, grocery vouchers, and many more. It's exciting. So use the EcoCash super app to transact, and promotion runs up until the 31st of August 2026. T's and C's apply. And at EcoCash, we say hashtag it's the way we live. And EcoCash will never ask for your PIN, your OTP, or for you to pay anything to get your prize. So just be mindful of that. And this competition season, we're super excited about this one. All right, listen, we are going in with our random question of the day. So I was just happy to transact. When was it? Marumwezuro. Promotion yangetotanga, and I had no idea. Because this is the first time talking about the promotion on air.
Yes.
My promotion, I think, yakato launch kwanga.
Right.
Ndakatotanga kuona data transaction yangu. Nakupiwa ma points, baby, and I was just like, this is good.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm sitting on, imagine this, I'm sitting on 403 points already. So I'm on a roll. I am on a roll. Chandungana kuina chia, banduda utasego, nduda kuenda kubi Victoria Falls, nduda kuenda, ndofunga kuenda ku marathon. Ndoita seko zvakawanda zvandoda kuhina zviri palist redu mati
unotombobvumidza here iwe kuhina
ndo nhau yandachida kuti tizotaura navo, but anyway hanzi teas panonzi T's and C's panenge vachireva imagine sha
tiri tose ipapo.
it's sad. All right, listen, so talking about all things transactions, all right, today we are talking love transactions.
Okay.
Yeah, we're talking love transactions, and we want to find out from you, how do you transact love to a newly found love? So the moment you get into a relationship, we want to find out how you make your love transaction. So you know how we transact with money.
Yes.
Right? So you go to the bank, or you're withdrawing money, or you are saving, or you're just, those are the terms that we want to use.
Okay.
For our Mubvunzonhando. Just that what we are transacting is love. It's not money.
Money. Okay.
Yeah. And I just noticed that everyone has got a unique way of transacting love when they are in a relationship, especially a newfound love.
Oh yeah.
And sometimes it's a trauma response. You will find that, you know, I'm one person who will make a huge deposit of love.
Yeah.
When I get into a relationship.
Oh yes.
So I'm one person who is just going to be like, ooh, this is a lump sum. Yese. I'm just depositing all my love into this person, right? And you will find there are people that then transact in installments. So they get into a relationship and they give you a little, right?
Yeah.
They give you a little, they deposit a little, and then they're like, okay, let's move, let's see where this is going. And then they take a little chunk and then they put in. So they deposit love in installments, learning the person.
Yes.
And then bit by bit, and the love transactions amount such on Rambach by learning, almost like atange aita earn your trust and love. And then so the bigger the installments, it equates to the amount of love that you're also getting from the person. And then there are people that actually just, you know, loan.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just will get into a relationship and use their love first, right? and then iwe wotokukweretesa kuti moyo wangu tora zvako then votozo hanzi inenge isina inini hanzi yangu ini pandotopinda inenge isina macharges. I hear you because I'm also like that.
Oh,
And now I'm shifting from that.
okay.
I think the
Why the sudden shift?
because I think it's necessary. I think I now appreciate people that then love in installments.
Yeah.
Yeah, that do a little deposit today. We learn each other. You deposit. But for me, when I get into a relationship, I'm just like all in.
All in, yeah,
So whatever chunk of money that I have, a chunk of love that I have, I'm just all of it.
Yeah.
Into the relationship.
Yes.
And I am here speaking live on national radio to say it's a big regret that I have. But Saki, how do you make your love transactions?
In installments. I'm the one on
From the get-go.
From the get-go. Like, it's bit by bit. I have to learn the things that you like, the things that you don't like.
Don't say.
I'm telling you, bit by
But
bit. I
this-
take my time.
It's not a trauma response.
It could be.
Okay.
It could be because pane pamwe paunotozombopinda umbopinda nemoyo wese neana yese then obvorwadziswa.
Yeah.
So I just learned, you know what, take it easy. Take your time to actually learn a person, give it bit by bit, and then at a certain stage, then you're very but I started asvika zvayo pa stage here.
Oh, pane paunozongoti lump sum obva
Lump sum.
zvese. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm not proud of myself. Yeah, because I'm just one person. I will go all in with what I have. I'm just
Yeah.
like everything. And also I want to find out from you if you're that type of person, because I know people that just loan, that do the loan, where you're like, you go to a person, right? Otono credit love ya, zvokuti anzoni tiri kudanana murelationship ne love yako ka. Zvokuti unotoona kuti pasina
Love
uyu
yake,
munhu uyu.
yaisaboni.
Hapana relationship.
And kazhinji kacho,
Yeah.
if you get it, zvinoitika kana ukapinda nemunhu ari mu-love yema-installments. Because you realize that this person ari hesitate.
Yeah.
So you're like, okay, you know what? I'll extend my love
My gosh.
until they're able to
This
pay
is
it back.
crazy.
Until they're able to pay it all back, and then probably it will play out in the end.
My gosh, we're talking love transactions on the show today, and we just want to find out your type of love when you are in a relationship, how you transact, how you make this love transaction. Are you the one who loves in installments? You just give a little and, and then a little later, and then before you know it, like Saki, or maybe you're just like me from the get-go. You like someone, you're done with the dating stage. The moment you say, I love you, you're like, I am giving everything. I'm just making like a huge deposit into this person. And like I'm saying,
And then I'm actually the type of person who for a while
Yeah.
I will not say the words I love you.
Ah,
For a while it will be
Sakile, hi. You will
yeah,
not
you have
even
to know
say.
I'm not yet there. Why the rush? I am
Saka
not yet there.
ma-installments
I'm not yet there. Right now, I like you. Let's see how this is going.
But
I still like you, and I still want to see how this is going. I still like you. And then,
Yeah, but
I love you.
yeah.
Then you will know that I actually mean it.
Yo, love transaction. Okay, I also want to find out from those that then go and ask for a loan from the person that they're dating. Kuti, when you're done, right? Watora chikwere teach and it trukushanisa love you umwe munhu mu relationship. Vanhu ivava unozodzosera here ne interest because unozoti pane pamwe pauti okay fine, yes, it's being reciprocated,
Yeah.
but tichiti takangolevela.
Right.
Pane pepe pekuti alright fine tamboshandisa love yangu but unozonoti but hayi chimunhu chiri kutonyatso kuita
Yes.
love iri kuita chihuman being changu. Do you then, right, return with interest? Maria,
Return the love back with
ne-interest, kuti wakuwedzera uchamecha pandakakupa pepe because that's how it's supposed to be.
No.
Because takamboshandisa yangu ka for a long time.
No, ngatingocontinue pama installments. kana inini ndazosvika because hazvisi zvinhu zvoti hanzi unonyarara togara tazvitaura satapinda kuti hanzi taamurelationship unogara watongoziva kuti for now uchimbori paseason yema-installments.
Oh dear.
When they come zvichauyo.
Okay, so where do you place yourself? 0772162651 and KVG Nindruema cashback. And please go deeper. I would like to find out. This message coming through on our WhatsApp platform says, oh, interesting topic. I love transactions. I love the sound of that. This one says, I started off ndiri kudzi and ndaipa zvese zvandinenge ndinawo I would deposit everything, clear my account kusara musina chirimo. Then after ndarasiswa, Saki and I are the same WhatsApp group, guys. I drop a little each and every day just to make sure that I keep the heartbreaks away.
Yes.
So installments are the way to go. Is that what we're saying?
I think if kana wakamborwadziswa, installments are just the way to go. But then I do know of people who have had heartbreaks, proper heartbreak, like anorwadza, but they still give their all each time that they fall in love.
That's me.
My respect to you guys. Because
that's me.
It takes a lot picking yourself up and then also giving yourself
That is so me. And I think I'm just too quick to trust people. This one coming in says, 10% of zvinhu zvese zvandinenge ndaitirwa. So I'm sorry to anozowedzera ka 10%. If you do good for me, ndichatopa ka 10% zvinenge zvawedzera. So ka interest kake kana nchitaura zvinoshanda.
Yakabatwa nemunhu wani ka relationship.
Mati?
Aina kubatwa nemunhu aisi mumaoko emunhu wani iye akadecide kuti nhasi handisi kuda kupa anything. Saka inenge ichisurvive on what? Because you're giving 10% of what they're giving you.
Anzi, if we're talking love transactions, I'm sorry, I will not participate today. I'm on the bench because I closed my account. And the account is closed. Another one also coming in says, the bank says, do not disclose your OTP.
Banky.
Banky problem.
Issues. I should go under investigation.
It's time family. Yakanolazwa mama. Imi munoda say, how do you transact love? Deposits akawanda munoisa 50% deposit here kana kuti muchidaya mbichana
30% deposit.
30% deposit.
Yes, in installments.
Hey. Shamwari baba wangu inini ndinotoisa yese cause ndinenda katofunga kuti ndahita jackpot baba.
Kwekanodyiwa.
Ikanolazwa. On 0772162651, you can get in touch with us, and we're talking love transactions, and we just want to find out how you transact love in a relationship. Do you give love in installments? Do you loan? Kune vanotoenda votoshandisa love yomwe munhu kutosustain a relationship. Uchinatsoona kuti panapa zveshuwa panapa ndiri kudanana ndega, but munhu achitokudza kuti no relationship ball. Love yatiri kushandisa panapa ndeyangu. But I'm asking to those people, vaya vanotora chikweretu, vanotora zvimbadzi muma-relationships. Andika, munozodzosera here zvane interest. Ndo zvandoda kuziya. Style family.
Hello guys,
zviri sei? Munoita sei? Munika confusion. Kamwe kacho pamwe pacho munoita seni, pamwe pacho munoita sasaki. Asi zvinodependa nemunhu wacho.
Zvinodependa nemunhu, but zvari pamanje ka. Ndakatanga namboona. Vandinoti iye anoita kundipawo, vandazongoinvesta ka 1.
Iwo chinonakidza kaicho chokungoisa yese love.
Kutifunya sei.
Ndo chinotekenyedza iyo. Ndo ndoda. If the love 0772162651. Messages coming through on our WhatsApp platform. We want to find out your way of transacting when it comes to love. How do you go about it, Star family?
Keviji zviri kufamba here.
Boss wekuti my guy, talk to me.
Nditaura naye but iwe asi vamatete vanongomirira maklasiki havakondribhite pamubvunzonhando apa nepamwe.
Vatori nesegment yavakatorelabhla kuti ndeyangu. Vakatoita izvozvo zvekuti pa-installment pa-classic.
Aiwa paripo. Nhasi wagona Keviji wadzoka kune zverudo kwete zvaungokaita nezuro kuenda kune zverudukunduku.
Nezuro pamakasuwa.
Nezuro akakasuwa.
Iwe zvinotyisa zvekufa kwevanhu.
Ndozviziya asi handinoona takatoita conversation yacho tikatongoseka tikatongopfuura.
Zikatongodarika
yeah. Asi palove munoita sei? Imi munoita sei? Munoisa ma-installments kana kuti munongoisa yese kawani?
Muri kuona ukatenga grocery Keviji rinotozongopera enda urwadziwe kana magetsi akaenda atirwadziwepo stage wati anogona kutongoenda. Fuel mota inogona kutongopera hazvitirwadze but rudo runorwadza rukapera shamwari.
Saka munoisa chii? Munoisa ma-installments?
Ma-installment yekwasakiri takaenda.
Imi vanhu hamusi...
vanenge vari serious wava.
Muri kuda zvelove chaizvo chaizvo here imi?
Aiwa nechitozvida shamwari iwe kune nanga unokuwadza ukasamuzoda kupindamo zvekare.
Iwe, people are guarding guarding their hearts. Like,
kana iro
make
shoko
me
jene rinoti
understand.
guard your heart.
Rakataura asi sure.
Guard your heart. Saka whom are we to just throw it all away? And then pane vamwe kudzi vanoisa yese sezvo.
And that is so me.
Yeah. Yes. Anongoisa yakawanda.
Yes.
Kwemamansa ekutanga. Anotevera uyo anozongoti chishandisa iyaya ndakakupa. Shandisa ndakakupa pekutanga
hanzisiya kani KVG avo vanoita madeposit nema-installments mbichana hanzi zvoni pavanozorwadziwa mhere yavanorova. Because mune muchivonga kuti makangwara.
Yeah.
Because the idea is inini ndakangwara ndichapa love shoma handidika. But paunozorwadziswa baba hazvinei kuti wanga wakanyangira. Hazvinei. Unongorwadziwa chete.
Apa ukaita ma-installments ozoona kuti pana land baron.
Chirega.
Pawaisa ma-installments.
Oh, your voice notes are coming through 0772162651. Anzi, inini what I do is ndinoisa ma-installments ndomboita nchi-withdraw. Guys, kune chii chakadaro. Anzi ndika-installa ndo-withdraw mari yangu. But do you know variko vanhu vakadaro?
Vanoita ma-installments and then
yes, like, do you know, and I had a friend wekuti zvoni aiti murelationship ka aigononzi ndakutengera aigonongotengerwa something like a gift.
Okay.
Ndakutengera watch but maybe it's an Apple watch or whatever. Togoogle utenda mari next week anogona kuuya mufestivali mota yangu yafa
ngatengese watch.
ndipo kamari otizoona kuti value ka yemari kuda kugadziriswa atora mari yake mufesi wacho unenge wakaipfeka saki wacho wakapfeka
but
mufesi atora mari yake yaakatengesa wacho. Ava ndavatovanzwisisa hanzi vari kuita hanzi inini ndinoti ndikaisa installment ndobva ndawithdraw withdraw akaenda. Vanhu muri kurwadzisana kunzoku. This one also coming through on our WhatsApp platform says, inini for me, I always make sure kuti kana zvitokwanisa transaction yangu ndeishoda kuita kana ma 30 cents bundle. Unzisati to the type of love yake.
Ndoye kuzoshaya good morning. Kuti wani nezuro kaita good morning one. Konas abana bundle.
We're talking about love transactions and want to find out exactly how you transact in a relationship. How do you give your love? Do you do it in installments? Or maybe you're that one person who believes just dropping a huge amount. Your voice notes in a little bit. We have DJ Nida and Chengeto. And this one is the Wandira Sarive.